when I decided that I'll come full time to ashram, and I expressed to my father, he thought that maybe it is just, passing by and I'll forget. Within me, I was very clear that if I'm going to ashram, this is the only way. But that attachment with my father was there. Just before I was completely moving in Salem, Devi consecration was happening. So I thought that, it is a good opportunity for me to, let my father come and see him. Then I called him and I said that, do you want to come for this consecration? And immediately he said, okay. And in that consecration, Sadhguru was offering Devi Gudi to people, who were there in the front. The way he looked at Sadhguru looked at him, and he gave Gudi in his hand. And he was just looking at him like this. Like, how a child looks at the mother. Then my father bowed down to Sadhguru, and Sadhguru just lifted him and, pulled him up. And after that, he said that I have met many people, but I haven't met anybody as compassionate as Sadhguru. So I know that you will be taken care of, and I have no such doubt. And I know that it is not that you are deciding, it is his call. So I will not stop you, you go ahead. And that particular moment, it felt that attachment I had with my father was completely taken care of, because I had decided I wanted to come. But this small thing was somewhere clinging in me, and after that I never felt that, there is anything or any attachment or anything like that. So I felt so much of gratitude that without his physical presence, how well certain things are taken care of. He kind of put my hand in, Sadhguru's hand. That's how I felt. So I know without his grace, it would not have happened. That one moment, I don't know. I knew that I don't have to worry about my father, but I know he was taken care on in that moment itself. So this is like a very tender moment when this happened in my life before I moved here.